When you're doing a load test, RPT samples users as far as error logging details. And sometimes if you have an intermittent problem, that makes it hard to debug because you're depending on the user who hits the problem to have been sampled, and therefore you see that information in the log. But that's not always the case, and it's hit or miss. So there's a useful feature here that allows you to selectively trace a particular request regardless of whether logging is on or whether that user is sampled. So you pick the request. This is actually on the Advanced tab here. Normally you see the General tab to begin with, but you want to flip to the Advanced tab. And then this is always log details. And this will actually capture every bit of the page for all users. So it's very useful for debugging. I even use it to capture some information for diagnostics. But watch out because it'll always log, and that means if you have 4,000 users hitting this every second, it will always log. So you want to be a little bit selective on that.